Happy New Year 2021. We are entering into a new year with much hope. The year past was of trials and hurdles, sorrow and distress for many as pandemic hit all realms of life. The pandemic has challenged and changed the humanity, but it teaches that whatever may be the situation, standing united, we shall overcome it. This new year is an apt time to decide to be a uniting force in our families, in our communities, in our workplace, and in playgrounds. To stand united and bring unity in the community or in the family, we need to be self-disciplined. This new year is a time for us to begin again every time and every day and every hour. The actual resolution we need to take in this new year is to begin again every time when we stumble or when we fail. Maurice the boy had a dream. Hearing a knock at the door, he listened, but heard nothing. Then he opened the door and asked who it was. I am a little New Year. I have promised to bring blessing to everyone, but I am such a little fellow. I need somebody to dispense, to scatter this blessing to everyone. Continued the little New Year. But Maurice the boy was so lazy and he did not want to get out and to help the little New Year. The little New Year pleading continuously. At last, Maurice stepped out and went out to help little New Year. Then he found a rosy-cheeked boy, a little smaller than himself, pulling a large cart which seems to be loaded with good things. On one side of the cart was painted the word love, on the other kindness. As soon as the little New Year saw Maurice, he said, "Now please hold and help me to pull." Then they went to an old man's hut. While Maurice cleaned snow in front of the house, the little New Year kept ready warm clothes and warm dinner at the door. Hearing New Year music, the old man stepped out and saw the gifts, and he was so happy that tears rolled out. Then they went to little sick girl with flowers. She too was very glad by seeing the gift. Then they went to many, leaving some blessings behind them. What a beautiful and wonderful cart you have, Maurice said. Though you have taken so much out, it never seems to be empty. Little New Year said, "You are right, Maurice. There is no end to love and kindness. As long as I find people to love and be kind to, my cart is full of blessings for them. It will never grow empty until I can no longer find people to help. If you go with me every day and help me to scatter my blessings, you see how happy you will be in all the long year. This new year, let us be distributors of God's mercy and love and make people feel they are blessed. Heaven needs ambassadors to dispense God's blessings and graces. Only self-disciplined and determined person can bring joy to everyone. This new year, let us be determined to begin again every time when we fail and make sure that we have year of mercy, love fraternity, and peace ahead. Let us be heaven's ambassadors to make this earth a lovely and lively place for everyone. Wish you a happy new year filled with God's blessings, and wish you all the best to be a blessing to everyone. May God bless you.